The other thing which caught everybody by surprise, at least if I say mainland, it sounds terrible, but in the rest of the country, was when you said that your state needs a Bihar kind of SIR.
Yes,
There's so much of controversy regarding SIR. Nobody really, other than the BJP, seems to be supporting the SIR, even in Bihar. And here you're asking for it in your state. So can you tell me why you think it's necessary?
You see, I'll give you the whole context. See, SIR in Bihar, you've seen in the newspaper reports that people are turned up from Bangladesh, from Burma, they've turned up. Nepal, of course, I can understand कि बॉर्डर है तो नेपाल से आ सकते हैं. आप म्यांमार से लोग बिहार कैसे पहुंच गए? क्या श्रीलंका के थ्रू आए वो लोग? नहीं, they have come through the eastern corridor. People from Bangladesh have entered Bihar. They have come through the eastern corridor.
You're talking about Rohingyas now.
The Rohingyas, there are other
from Myanmar only they would have come, no?
They would have come from Myanmar. They can come from the Chittagong Hill Tracts also.
Yeah.
Because they are in the Arakan belt.
Yeah.
They are there near the Cox's Bazar side, and they are entering from the northeast. Every day, Tripura में आप newspaper खोलिए, 12 people caught in the railway station. कहीं में आप देखिए 20 people caught here. Now for every 10, 15, 20 people being caught in Tripura, hundreds and hundreds are actually crossing over.
Because the borders are porous.
Borders are porous. Hemanta Biswa Sarma is doing an illegal eviction drive. In Nagaland, last week, 200 cars, trucks of illegal migrants were entering Dimapur. The Nagaland police had to stop them. Tell me why at 2 o'clock at night, 200 trucks filled with illegal immigrants are entering Dimapur. Because they are being evicted out of Assam. So Nagaland has created a mechanism to stop them from entering. Meghalaya has done it. Mizoram has done it. In Tripura, no such steps have been taken yet. So I believe that if you throw out an illegal migrant from Assam, and then they enter Tripura, they are there for 10-15 days, 1 month, 2 months, they'll get the Aadhaar card, then they will go back to Assam, or they will go back to become a voter in Tripura, or go to Haryana and get a job, or go to Maharashtra, or come to Delhi, right? So if we have to be serious about it, and we went to the election commission and we said SIR पूरे इंडिया में होना चाहिए. अच्छा, जो लोग ओपोज कर रहे हैं SIR का, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि बहुत लोगों के अंदर शंका हो सकती है. So my friend Prashant Kishore, I follow him very regularly, and I think he makes some very valid questions, and he's put up some valid points. आप ऐसा कीजिए, हर दिन दिखा दीजिए ECI के वेबसाइट में कितने लोगों का नाम आपने डिलीट किया है, क्या नाम है उनका, और कितने लोग ऐड हुए हैं. दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो जाएगा, ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाएगा. लेकिन क्योंकि आप किसी को आपको डर है कि आपका वोट बैंक चला जाएगा, you will not go through this process, then it is dangerous. And Smita, North East में हमारा population बहुत छोटा है. Mizoram has a very small population. Tripura has a very small population. We Tripuras are only 1.5 lakh people, 15 lakh people. Arunachal, very small population. Meghalaya, Khasis, Garos, Jaintias, very small population. Dimasas, Bodo, small. When you allow people to come in, very soon they become landowners. They get all the documents. They become MLAs. They become officers, and then slowly and steadily we become minorities in our own land. So it is in the interest of India and mainland India, as you said, to protect the Northeast, because the Northeast is the frontier. And from a national security point of view, we have to do everything to protect the people of Northeast. And we are not against...
so it's not just cultural protection, it's also actually existential now.
Existential and, it's, as I said, survival in existence. And मैं ये भी तो बोल रहा हूँ, national security को देख लीजिए. आज के दिन लाख लोग हमारे एरियाज में बसे जा रहे हैं. हमने अभी कुछ नहीं किया तो 5 साल के बाद ये वोटर्स बन जाएंगे, और बन रहे हैं. वोटर्स बनने के बाद ये इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे, MLA बनेंगे. नुकसान किसका है? आज हम अपने ही लोगों को नौकरी नहीं दे सकते. वी कांट गिव अप यंगस्टर्स जॉब्स. हम इन लोगों को नौकरी देंगे. आज हम अपने लोगों को शिक्षा नहीं दे सकते. बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम इन द एजुकेशनल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. आज इन लोगों को हम ऑफिसर्स बनाएंगे. तो अगर आपको वी आर इंडियंस, तो ट्रीट अस लाइक इंडियंस, गिव अस द राइट ऑफ फर्स्ट यूज़. आप तो इम्पोर्ट कर रहे हैं अपना वोट बैंक, और कब तक ये चलेगा वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स. सो इसके लिए माई पार्टी वेंट टू द ECI एंड वी हैव रेज्ड द इशू. किसी को पसंद नहीं आता वो अलग बात है.
Whose vote bank are they, Pradyot?
सी एट वन पॉइंट दे वर वोट बैंक फॉर नेशनल पार्टीज. नेशनल पार्टीज का मतलब हुआ कि क्योंकि आपने जनजाति को उस समय, क्योंकि जनजाति ट्राइबल्स था, इंसर्जेंसी था, तो आपको लगा कि ट्राइबल कांग्रेस को वोट नहीं करेगा या कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी को वोट नहीं करेगा, तो हम इन लोगों को काउंटर करने के लिए अपना एक वोट बैंक क्रिएट करते हैं. एक थिंकिंग थी एक समय. उसके बाद थिंकिंग बदली, तो आपने छोटे छोटे स्टेट्स को चांस दिया, जैसे कि यू गिव मेघालय चांस, you gave Nagaland a chance, you gave Mizoram a chance.
What do you mean by giving it a chance?
Because you made them states.
Okay.
You made them states. Otherwise, they were all part of Assam. Then you gave them chance, and then that issue was largely stopped because political aspirations were fulfilled. Tripura didn't go through that process. Bodoland didn't go through this. Karbi Anglong did not go through this. Dimasa Hasao didn't go through this. Assam itself today Hemanta Biswa Sarma is saying that in the next 15 years, you will have a non-indigenous Assamese speaking chief minister. The largest state in Northeast and one of the most well-known chief minister, Hemanta Biswa Sarma, has said it 1 week ago कि अगले 15 साल में आसाम का मुख्यमंत्री non-Assamese speaking होगा. जब वो बोलता है तो बोलते कि वाह बहुत अच्छा बात बोल रहा है, तो आपको तो गौर करना चाहिए. जब वही बात प्रद्योत बोल देगा तो सब बोलते कि ये सांप्रदायिक है. भाई मैं कहाँ सांप्रदायिक हूँ? अपने नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को बचाने के लिए अगर मैंने आवाज़ उठाई तो क्या ये सांप्रदायिकता है? इट इज़ नॉट. बट पीपल हैव गॉट टू यूज्ड टू not listening to the indigenous tribals of the Northeast. But we have to speak up.
You are the voice of the indigenous tribals of the Northeast.
I am not the only voice. There are many other people.
Okay.
I am one of the voices. I love my people. I love my country. And I will keep on speaking even if it makes me unpopular in Delhi, even if it makes me unpopular amongst a few people.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.